for this video presentation, I will be presenting Activity 3, Real-Life Argument Analysis. The purpose of this activity is to analyze a real-life argument by identifying its premises, conclusion, and type of argument, and to evaluate whether the argument is strong and reasonable. This activity also helps us to think critically about arguments we often see in our daily lives and especially on social media. For this activity, I choose a common argument that I often see and hear online in school and discussions. The topic is about using mobile phones inside the classroom. The argument states that the student shall not use mobile phones during class time because mobile phones distract students, reduces attention, and negatively affect academic performance. This argument is usually shared by teachers, parents, and even students who believe that phones do more harm than good inside the classroom. Now, I will discuss the premises of the argument. The first premise is that mobile phones distract students during class discussions. So, many students tend to check their phones, reply to messages, or scroll through social media instead listening to the teacher. The second premise is that the student lost focus when they use their phones inside the class. So because of this, they may miss important explanations, instructions, or example given by the teacher. The third premise is too much phone use can affect academic performance. Students may become less active in class participation and have difficulty understanding lessons and perform poorly in quizzes or exams. Based on these premises, the conclusion of the argument is that mobile phones should be banned during class time. The type of argument used is inductive. This means the argument is based on observations, experiences, and common situation rather than absolute or scientific proof. In terms of strength, the argument is strong because the premises clearly support the conclusion. It is reasonable to think that if phones distract students, limiting their use may help improve focus in class. However, the argument is not fully sound. This is because not all mobile phones use is negative. Some students use their phones for educational purposes, such as searching for information, learning apps, or taking notes. Now, I will answer prompt questions of this argument. First questions. Are the premises true? Yes, the premises are mostly true. Many students do get distracted by their mobile phones during class, especially when they are using them for social media, games, or personal messages instead of learning. Second questions. Does the conclusion logically follow? Yes, the conclusion logically follows. If mobile phones distract students and reduce their focus, then banning or limiting their use during class time is reasonable solutions. Third questions. How could the argument be improved? The argument can be improved by suggesting control or limited use of mobile phones. Instead of a total ban, phones can be allowed only for academic purposes such as research, online quizzes, or educational activities supervised by the teacher. Fourth questions. Are there hidden assumptions? Yes, there are hidden assumptions. The arguments assume that all phone use is harmful and that banning mobile phones will automatically improve learning.